This is the third attempt to film this video already. I forgot how to film videos. So guys, I'm back, and today I have a beautiful news for you, affordable news. Actually, I decided to launch this monthly beauty subscription box that you will be enjoying for way cheaper derma rollers, skincare tools, and skincare serums, creams that I sell on my website. Monthly subscription box value is $120, but you're going to pay $49 monthly. If you want only one purchase, one time purchase, is going to cost $69. Monthly subscription is $49, guys. It's going to be value $120. You're gonna get this beautiful gin amber beauty customized box. Sneak peek. Today I am showing to you. I really didn't want to, but I really want to show you, and I want to encourage you because this value is like crazy. I was really thinking for a while if I can do this financially, but I really love you guys, and I decided I will do this. I will try this. This is like a trial to see if it's really not gonna make me go bankrupt. So sneak peek, today in June's subscription box you're going to get a dolphin. How awesome is that, guys? If you don't know, dolphin on my website is $99. This is beautiful skin lifting device, turning on. It has two modes. It has a hot and cold mode, and you can depuff your eyes, around the eyes, crow's feet, 11 lines. You can use on your forehead if you have lines. You can use this part of the dolphin, lift your jowls, this for the neck, for the arms, whatever. I have a separate video on this dolphin device, guys. It's going to be included in that monthly box of June. It's going to be something else, another beauty products. I don't want to tell you. This is just a little sneak peek what you're going to get. And the box, like June for example, you're going to get dolphin and you're going to get something else. Next month is going to be another product that weren't in the June box. So from 1st of June to last day of June, you're going to get dolphin and something else. And July box, you're going to get completely new things, probably gonna be few derma rollers and something like this. I don't want to tell you now because this is a secret. This is like a secret subscription box that I personally pick what you're going to get. So $49 once a month. You subscribe on my website, go down below and you're going to get link where to go, how to subscribe, and more information what you're going to receive in that box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. Bye. You wanna leave for a kiss? You said I'll probably send you some pics, and I'm not